Hi, I'm Dr. Wendy Palmer Patterson. I want to mention two ways of relating and changes in how we relate that I think can make an enormous difference in thriving relationships. One of them is the construct of realizing that we often are protesting, and we protest with silences, criticism, explosion, but it's all protesting. And what it's really about is wishing for a different moment. What we think helps around being an effective person in relationship is something that we've called zero negativity. Zero negativity essentially means take out all put downs. Find a way to tell your partner what you want, tell your partner what you're experiencing without ever putting them down. It seems so dauntingly hard because we've trained ourselves otherwise. But figuring out how to identify negativity and how to decide to get rid of it completely is a really, really valuable skill. What it does is it creates a level of safety in the relationship that lets people drop their shoulders, lets them relax, take a deeper breath, and what all of that is doing is moving people into their consciousness. A second thing that really helps couples, all relationships, relax and be more conscious is amplifying all of the positives over the negatives. The research that we've seen tells us that people that are really successful in relationships have a 20-to-1 ratio of positive interactions to negative interactions. Touch, smile, act of service. Doesn't have to be big, can be very big, but it needs to be amplified so that the preponderance of what happens between two people or a group is in the positive realm. So you can decide that part of what you want to do to change the relationship experience will be this particular challenge, and that can look as simple as 3 times a day. You go find your partner and you express something positive. Smile, make them laugh, give them a hug, tell them they're wonderful, tell them you feel lucky to have them, but be specific in such a way that puts some gas in the tank. More gas in the tank, the further we go.